So today I'll be showing you how to charge your JBL Flip 7. So this is very simple. All you have to do is find the Type-C port, and you're gonna need a Type-C cable to connect into the speaker, and the other end of this cable should be to a power source. So you just connect, and when it starts charging, you will see this animation light. Okay, so let me just bring it closer. Just next to the charging port, you can see that light moving, and it's indicating how far the battery is charged and that it's actually charging. Okay, so it's going to be moving like that as long as it's charging. So that's how you charge your Flip 7. Now I'm going to test a few other things. Currently I'm using my phone's charger, which is a 75-watt charger, so it works. Now I'm going to check if it works with a power bank. So I've got this power bank from Oraimo, just a regular power bank, of course with a Type-C charger. So let's try and see if a power bank will charge the speaker. So let's give it a moment. And the power bank also charges the speaker. So you can actually use your power bank to charge your speaker. So basically any power source, whether it's a laptop or a power bank or a wall socket or even your TV, all these devices can charge your JBL Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.